Massachusetts man arrested for mailing white powder to 5 people, including Donald Trump Jr., a sitting U.S. Senator, and Stanford law professor Michelle Dober. Dober is leading the effort to recall the judge in the Brock Turner case. KPIX5's Devin Fehely tells us it was something else the suspect sent her that led the feds right to him. Devin?
Yeah, Dauber actually received 2 letters. The first was something called a glitter bomb, essentially an envelope that's full of glitter that explodes when you open it. Now, that first letter was sent by a private company, and that was enough to lead investigators to the suspect.
Obviously, something like this is frightening.
Stanford law professor Michelle Dober says she's relieved federal investigators arrested this man, Daniel Frisiello, for allegedly sending threatening letters from his Boston area home containing a white powder meant to look like anthrax.
I'm a victim of a crime like the other individuals, and I'm relieved that there's been an arrest, and at this point it's very important that the criminal process go forward.
The hazmat team shut down part of Stanford's law school when the letter arrived February 14th. Inside was a white powder, later determined to be harmless, and a threat. It read, "Since you are going to disrobe Persky, I'm going to treat you like Emily Doe," a reference to the victim in the Brock Turner sexual assault case. Professor Dauber is leading the recall effort to remove Judge Aaron Persky from the bench for his sentence in the Turner case. But she wasn't the only target. Federal investigators say the suspect sent letters with white powder to 4 other victims in New York, Michigan, and California.
Today's arrest sends a strong message to those who seek to terrorize the American public by sending white powder letters through the mail. Whether real or hoax, don't do it.
Professor Dauber says even before today's arrest, she wasn't going to back down in the face of threats.
Our campaign is not going to be intimidated. We're going to continue to go forward and stand with survivors of sexual assault.
It is likely still weeks, if not months away, but Professor Dauber could be called to testify if the case does in fact go to trial. At Stanford, Devin Fehely, KPIX 5.